Are you also curious about this piece? Then come join me. I'm going to show you what fits inside and a little bit more. So let's go. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna take a deeper look into this. This is the Nice BB from Louis Vuitton. And I believe this is the largest size. This one I got in April this year. So for size reference, I will insert the length, the height and the width for you. I believe the canvas nowadays are much squishier and softer, so you can see pretty soft, but it doesn't bother me so much. See, it's a little bit scrunchy here. And yeah, for me, I believe the zippers, they were a little tight, so I don't know. Maybe I would take it back and make them look at it. But inside of this, it's just a big compartment. You have one pocket here in the back side and you have two pockets here in the front. But actually they don't fit hardly anything because they are pretty snug. Then you have a compartment over here. And yeah, I have some hair ties. It fits quite a bit actually, so I like this one. But I'm thinking of getting a little bag organizer for it, because when you put stuff in, it's just all over the place. One feature I do like is that you can have things standing up. As you can see here, it's a pretty large bottle and it fits perfectly. You can zip it up, no problem. But this is the maximum height. See, it goes a little bit over, but with the lid, it's still close. So if you have bottles like this, 120. Let's have a deeper look into it. So let's start with a night cream, day cream and eye cream. As you see, they are a little bit wobbly. Conditioner. We have a big bottle of shampoo, toothpaste, oil for the face, Salty Stone deodorant, facial brush. This is so lovely to just dry brush your face with. Cupping for the face. We also have some hair band. As you can see, this is a bow here, but it will be no problem. You can just zip it up perfectly. It will be a little bit bulky here, but you can also always lay your products down. But I do prefer have them standing so I can carry them upright. So for reference, all of these did fit into the Nice BB, no problem. And you can see here the shampoo is a 500 milliliter, so it's quite big. So as you saw, this is quite a roomy, and when I travel with it in a suitcase, I do lay my products down, and I also carry a plastic bag around them while on the flight, because you never know with that pressure and stuff. I was also asked how this is holding up, if it was more delicate, since it's quite squishy, and I believe it looks exactly the same. I got it 4 months ago, and I've been traveling with it 2 times on a flight and 2 times with a car, and just squishing down. No problem, it's holding up great. I haven't got any damages on it or anything. It looks like brand new. So I have 2 toiletries, so I will show you the size comparison. So this is the GM model of the toiletry. It's the old model. You can see they are pretty much the same height, but this is a little bit longer. See here. And I also have this, and this is the medium size or the smaller size. I do also have a video comparing those two, and I will link them for you here in the screen. So I hope this helped you and that you are more curious and that you would get one. And I believe this is the perfect size. I'm also looking to get the smaller because it's so cute, but for me this is the size that I need to have to get my stuff in. The other one will be absolutely totally too small, but it's like a cutie, maybe for makeup or something, maybe for a day trip or so. But this is perfect for the weekend, for a week or so. Actually, I do carry almost the same stuff even if I'm just gone like 2 days or a week, so it's great. And it's also room for like your toothbrush and your shower cream and stuff. Now I didn't get it here, but it's some space left. But have you seen the older models? They are a little bit sturdier, so don't be too sad about it. You can see here it's not perfect. You can see here goes in a little bit. Here's a little slouch. It doesn't bother me. I looked at so many videos and most of them looks like this, so I guess that's what we're dealing with right now. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this. I also have an unboxing with this little piece, so I will link this for you. So for comparison, here is the same stuff in the GM model. As you can see, you can't have them standing here, but they would fit, I believe, if I lay them down. But it's exactly the same stuff here if you're looking for a little bit cheaper version, or it's not cheap, but less expensive, let's say that. This one I have for many years and I love it. So this was my little go through. I hope this helped you and I hope you'll get one. I think it's perfect. I'm really hoping to see you soon again. So have a fabulous day, night or evening wherever you are, and go grab your Nice BB. Bye bye.